Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Niro. The Kia Niro provides functionality and fuel economy you would expect from a hybrid crossover. The roomy cabin and elevated seating let you know you're in a crossover vehicle. However, the fantastic miles per gallon rating reminds you that you're still in a hybrid and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, mud guards, navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.